All right, today I'm going to be making lemon pepper ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. The first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. You're going to need pepper. Right here I have all American black pepper. And you're going to need lemon. Absolute goodness. Now let's get started. All right, so I'm going to take the lemon and I'm going to put it aside. And I'm going to open up the ramen noodle packet. I'm going to open up the ramen noodle packet, if I can get it open. And I'm going to put the ramen noodles down in here and pour the crunchies down in there. Absolute goodness. Then I'm going to take the seasoning packet right here, and I am going to just put a little bit, like maybe 3/4 fourths in here. Not going to put all of it in it because I'm trying to cut back on my sodium because I'm trying to be healthier in 2020. Absolute goodness. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some lemon and I'm going to squeeze some lemon on top of it. So I'm just going to squeeze some lemon. Squeeze some lemon, and then I have another lemon wedge, but I'm going to add that at the end. Now, putting this lemon on here at the beginning allows it to really boost the flavoration inside of the noodles. Absolute goodness. So once I have the lemon on here, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take another lemon, and I'm going to put some lemon zest on here. So I'm going to take a cheese grater for the greater good, and then just, didn't mean to do that, and just grate some of the lemon zest on there. Now this is going to add a tremendous amount of lemon flavor and aroma on the ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. So once I have that, I'm going to put that down in there, and then I'm going to take some water, and I'm going to have this in my rapid ramen cooker. Check the description part of the page. I'll show you where you can get one of these things from. And I'm going to pour some water up to the line, pour it on top to the line, and then I'm going to cook this. I'm going to cook this for about 4 minutes in the microwave. Absolute goodness. All right, so the ramen noodles have been cooked. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can see this a little bit better. Zoom in, look at the ramen noodles. Look at the ramen noodles, absolute goodness. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some pepper and I'm going to put some pepper on top. So, all right, so I have the lemon pepper, and then I have another lemon wedge, and I'm just going to squeeze some of the lemon on top of this. Then I'm going to take a fork and just mix it up like that. All right, come up to the screen. Smell the lemon. Smell the lemon. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.